Hello, my name's Amy Tetlow-Baxter, and today's webinar is Boost Your Business Efficiency with Shortcuts Reports. Just a little bit of housekeeping before we get started. So the duration of the webinar today is going to be between 20 to 30 minutes. Don't forget to turn your speakers on to hear this webinar. Remember that you are muted, so only my microphone is working. And ask questions throughout the webinar via the chat box. So our learning objectives for today, we're going to understand the importance of regular reporting, be familiar with key reporting categories, understand the reporting process, understand how reports can answer your common questions about business performance, increase efficiency and productivity of employees, and be able to identify retail and service spending trends. So why do we do reporting? Reports give you insights into the behind the scenes of your business and help you identify crucial information. By analysing and understanding your figures, you can set yourself up for future planning and growth, and reporting helps you to pinpoint trends in client and employee behaviours. So the reporting process is we collect the data, we view your reports, we analyse your data, take action, which equals value and increases revenue. So here are our different reporting categories, which I'll let you just take a quick look at, and we'll go through each one individually. So our first report category is the appointment reports. These allow you to keep track of your appointment activity with the appointment reports. This category focuses on appointment revenue and client booking behaviour. So in here we can take a look at forecasting for future revenue. We can look at how many clients are booking online compared to in person, and do your lost clients or your most clients specify if they requested for a certain employee. So value of future appointments. This report displays the value of booked appointments for each employee in an easy-to-read bar graph format, allowing you to easily compare figures between your employees. The report also includes the percentage of appointments booked with each employee. This enables you to see which employees have the highest volume of scheduled appointments, which may assist you in allocating future bookings. This report can be used to gain insight into your expected service revenue. However, please note that the report may not reflect actual sales revenue, as the figures are based on current service prices and booked appointments, which may be subject to change. And as you can see on this report, we have a little bit of a breakdown. We have that on all of the reports that I show you today. You also have your BookMe statistics. The BookMe statistic report displays your BookMe data organized in a way that allows you to easily view particular employees and services. The report includes a count of your BookMe bookings as well as a value of BookMe bookings. Throughout the report, appointment book statistics are also displayed as a point of reference. The last page of the report indicates and includes stacked bar graphs which show your BookMe bookings compared to your appointment book bookings on a monthly basis. The report will allow you to analyze booking trends and help you track BookMe utilization within your business. And we also have the different graph on this page. The next report that we find very useful is our tag usage report. This provides a graphical representation of the revenue associated with each of your top 10 tags. The report displays a list of appointments and visits and their associated value, organized in a way that allows you to easily view particular tags. The tags are ordered from highest to lowest revenue, and the report is further broken down to show tag revenue for each individual date. This enables you to see which types of appointments and visits are generating the most revenue. The tag usage report can also be run with the future date range, allowing you to gain insight into your expected service revenue. However, please note that this may not reflect actual sales revenue, as your figures are based on current service prices and booked appointments, which may be subject to change. This report only includes appointments and visits where a tag has been assigned. So if you skip that when you're making an appointment, unfortunately, these services and appointments will not show on the tag usage report. We also have our business reports, which gain useful insights into overall sales data with your business reports. This category focuses primarily on business revenue and financial management. So you can have a look at, was this month's revenue higher than the last few months? How much value is outstanding on unclaimed gift certificates? Do I always make about the same revenue every Thursday? Are my clients still paying with cash instead of using cards? And the first report in here, we're looking at is our sales trend. The sales trend report provides the business sales trend by month over the given date range. The trend is displayed as a line graph, and below the graph is a list of your sales for each month and your total sales for the entire date range. This report allows you to easily compare sales figures from month to month, which is useful for tracking seasonal trends and viewing sales patterns. We also have our outstanding gift certificates report, which displays a list of gift certificates that have not yet been fully redeemed. The report includes the certificate number, if you do track them within shortcuts, the clients who bought the certificate, as long as it's not put against a walk-in, and the date it was sold, the original amount, the last date sum of the certificate was redeemed, and the current outstanding value. You can also view the total outstanding value for all gift certificates listed in the report. This report will help you keep track of business liabilities by allowing you to easily see the value of gift certificates held by your client. The takings comparison report displays the number of clients per day and the days takings organized in a way that allows you to easily view and compare particular days of the week. Each row within the report represents 1 week, and at the end of the report you can view the total figures for the given date range. This report will help you analyze daily business trends, which can assist with planning and rostering or scheduling for particular days of the week. And last but not least in here, we have our takings breakdown. The business takings breakdown displays a bar graph of your revenue for the given date range, allowing you to view your takings for cash, credit, debit, and any other payment types. The report includes a detailed list of your takings broken down by payment type and displays your total sales figures for the selected interval day. You can change the frequency from daily to a larger interval in your report options. This report is useful for tracking and comparing your business takings for particular payment types. And we will take a look at your different report options later on and how these can be changed. So we're now going to take a look at our employee reports, which gain useful insights into employee behavior. This category focuses primarily on employee KPIs, so key performance indicators, and comparing employee statistics. So how do my employees rank against each other? Are clients generally always rebooking? And which employee brings in the highest revenue for their services performed? And the first one we're going to take a look at is our employee ranking report. This shows your top 10 employees in order of productivity based on the sales of the products and services. The report displays your employees in a series of lists, each list based on a different criteria. For each employee in a particular list, their ranking and relevant sales figures are displayed. Figures are displayed in the form of a monetary value, sales per hour, and average sales per client visit. For each employee, you can also view their total sales and the number of clients they served. This report will assist you in analysing employee performance, allowing you to easily see which employee ranked highest in key areas. And a lot of employees do like to see this report. It's a little bit of a friendly competition between staff. We also have our rebooking breakdown report, which is a graphical report which shows your overall rebooking percentage per month in a bar graph format. The report also shows a breakdown of your employee appointment rebooking statistics. For each employee, you can view the number of visits, the number of rebookings, and their rebooking percentage. This report will assist you in analysing employee performance, allowing you to easily see which employees have the highest rebooking rates. And we also have our services by employee. The services by employee report is a graphical report which shows a breakdown of service values and service counts for each employee. The report includes charts showing percentages and values generated for each employee. This report also allows you to drill down to view further details about a particular employee. For example, if you double-click on one of the employees in the pie charts or bar graphs, it will display a list of all the services done by that employee. This report will assist you in analysing employee performance by allowing you to see who completed the most services and who generated the most service revenue. This report is very similar to the products by employee. The same rules apply. If you click on the products by employee, double click on one of the employees' names on the graph, you will see a breakdown of products by employee and the total income. So we're now going to take a look at our client reports, which gain useful insights into the client behaviour. This category focuses primarily on visit frequency, client referrals, and spending habits. So are your clients cancelling a lot? How do new clients find the business? And you want to reward your top spending clients, how can you find them? And the first one in here is our cancelled appointments, which displays a list of clients that have had a cancellation or no-show within the specified date range. For each client, you can view the total number of appointments, no-shows, cancellations, and deleted appointments. The report also includes the time and date when each appointment was scheduled, the allocated employee, and the status of the appointment. This report will enable you to analyse booking accuracy and cancellation patterns, which can assist with developing new strategies for appointment scheduling and appointment confirmations. We have our referral activity report, which displays the number of clients gained from each referral method, providing you with insight into how people are hearing about your business. A referral is considered to have occurred when a client's first visit date falls within the given time frame. The report includes a count of referrals as well as a total value of clients referred via each method. Totals are also displayed for the entire database as a reference to determine how much each referral method has generated for the business. This report will assist you in tracking the success of your referral methods, which may assist you in developing marketing strategies targeted at bringing in new clients. It's always important that we choose the referral method, especially if you're using the set and forget marketing campaign for the referral client. And the last one in here is our top spending clients. The top spending clients report displays a list of your top 20 clients in order of the total amount spent within the given time frame. If you wish to view more or fewer clients, you can change the number of clients listed in the report through the report options, which we'll take a look at later on. The report includes the number of times each client visited, their total spend, and their average spend. Figures are also displayed for the entire business as a reference to determine how much of the business total is generated by the top spending clients. You can also view the client's contact details. The report will help you analyze client data and can assist with targeting communications towards higher spending clients. So our end of day reports keep track of day-to-day activities. With the end of day reports, the category focuses on daily business take-ins and your cash register balance. So in here, you'll be able to see your average ticket at the point of sale and how long are my employees spending on the end of day procedure. So the first one we're going to take a look at is the trading summary, which I think most people generally use. The trading summary displays details of your take-in sales, liabilities, redemptions, and key employee performance indicators. The report includes a breakdown of product, service, and sundry sales for each employee and for the business. You can also view a payment type breakdown as well as a range of key client transactional data. This report will allow you to easily view key financial data, which will assist you in monitoring incoming and outgoing payments for the business. And here's our trading summary continued. So the next report is the session till balance, which will also appear if you're doing your end of day, and it will give you the option to print this out. The session till balance report displays details of a particular end of day session, organised in a way that allows you to view each balance attempt. The report includes the start and finish time of the balance status, and the employee who completed the balance. You can also view the amount entered, calculated, and the variance for each payment type, as well as a detailed cash breakdown. This report will assist you in analysing the accuracy of your till balance, allowing you to easily see where any discrepancies have occurred. So we'll take a look at our service reports, which focuses primarily on service counts and service revenue. So you can look at what are the most popular services and how can I quickly see what each employee level charges for services. So our top selling services report displays a list of your most profitable services in order of total sales revenue. The report includes the average charge for each service as well as the quantity sold, which allows you to easily see which services are the most popular with your clients. The last page of the report displays the total number of services sold, total value of sales, and the average charge for a service. This report may assist you with updating your pricing structure or planning promotional campaigns, as it allows you to see which services are performing well and which services could use some work to help increase sales revenue. Our service breakdown with levels report displays a list of your services organised in a way that allows you to view particular service categories. For any service that have employee level set up, the report shows a breakdown for each level. The report displays the service duration, break duration, the service price, and any points associated with the service. This report allows you to easily compare current service prices and durations for different employee levels, which may assist you with updating service details for particular levels. Our next category are our stock reports, which focuses primarily on product usage and product sales. So you can find out the total value of the current stock on hand, what are the most popular products, and how much professional stock was used this month or year. So our first report is our stock control report, which displays a detailed list of your product levels, organised in a way that allows you to easily view particular companies and lines. The report includes your current levels, required levels, and what is currently on order. You can also view the cost, price, and value on hand for each product line and company. The first page of the report displays the total quantity in stock, on order, and value on hand. This report will assist you in analysing your product requirements, allowing you to easily see which products need to be included in your next order. Our top selling product report displays a list of your best selling products in order of total sales value. Only products marked as retail will be indicated in the report. It will show you the quantity sold for each product, which allows you to easily see which products are the most popular. The last page of the report displays the total number of products sold, the total value of sales, and the total profit earned, and the overall profit percentage. This report also takes into account if a refund is done. If a product has a zero value, which means that the product was sold and then refunded. The top selling product report may assist you in updating your pricing structure or planning promotional activity to help boost sales. The next report is our professional stock usage. And this is anything that goes through at the point of sale under #business. So this report displays a detailed breakdown of professional products used by the business, organised in a way that allows you to easily view particular companies and lines. The report includes the quantity, average product cost, and total product cost for each item, as well as the total figures for each line and company. The first page of the report displays the total quantity, average cost, and the total cost for all products that were used professionally during the given time frame. This product will help you identify trends in professional product demand, which will assist with future reorders. So our transaction reports focuses on activities such as sales, refunds, discounts, expenses, and voided transactions. So what is the value of family and friend discounts per month? You can find out how much we are spending on magazines for the salon and who is voiding at the point of sale and why. The first report is our discount reason breakdown, which displays a list of discounted transactions organised in a way that allows you to easily view particular discount reasons. For each transaction, the report shows the name of the client, the discount amount, and the amount received. You can also view the total number of transactions processed under each discount reason. The last page of the report displays the total discount amount of products, services, sundry items, and series. The report will help you monitor discounting practices within your business and allow you to view any patterns in the use of particular discount reasons. We also have our expenses report, which displays graphical representations of your expenses, allowing you to easily view particular expense categories. The report includes a detailed list of your expense transactions broken down by category. You can also view the percentage of total expenses made up by each category and the total expenses per category. The first page of the report displays the total number of expenses, the total value ex tax and total tax value, and the total value including tax. The report will help you monitor business expenditure and allow you to plan and budget for particular expenses based on previous transactions. So you can see how much milk is being bought each month within the salon, for example. We also have our voided transaction report, which displays a list of your voided transactions in chronological order. For each transaction, the report shows the name of the client, the amount, the payment type, and the reason for the void. You can also view the exact date and time when the void occurred, as well as the employee who processed the void. The last page of the report displays the total amount that was voided within the given date range. This report will help you monitor voiding practices within the business, which can assist with developing strategies and reduce the number of voids occurring. Our last category we're going to take a look at is our walk-in manager reports. Now, walk-in manager is only really used in our barbering salons. And within here, we can look at which of the employees is the most efficient and how long are employees taking on particular services. And here we have our employee efficiency report, which displays the time taken to each employee to perform each service over the selected date range. The information is displayed in a cross tab which shows employees across the top and services down the side. This layout makes it easy to see the average time taken to perform a particular service and the average service time for a particular employee. This report will assist with comparing employee efficiency or can be used to determine more accurate service times. So what we're going to take a look at now is actually how you can view these different reports. So in Shortcuts, on the right hand side, if you go to Tools and Reports, you'll see you've got all of your different categories on the left hand side. If you click on the little plus sign next to the category and select the report you wish to view, so for example, the trading summary, if you then hit the view button at the bottom of the page, you then have the option to choose a date range. You can click on a particular date, range, or you can look at current, last, or next week's figures. So if we look at last week, what you may notice on some of the reports is you have additional options. So once you've chosen your date range, if you click on, it could be a little employee tab there, or for example, for this trading summary, we have the miscellaneous tab. And you can change what's actually viewed on this report. So you may decide to choose the product breakdown, service breakdown, employee product breakdown, and service breakdown. And then once you hit view, you'll see that there'll be more information on that particular page. You'll also notice on most of the reports there is an option to display figures X tax, and you can change that to no or yes by just double clicking on the option there. So today we have learned why regular reporting is important for your business, the reporting process, the key reporting categories, that reports can answer your common questions about business performance, how to measure the efficiency and productivity of employees, and how to identify product performance trends. So if anybody has any questions, please just fill that in the chat box and I will answer them in just a moment. Okay, I've got no questions at the moment. If you are writing, please continue and I'll answer them at the end. Here are recommended videos, so I'll let you take a quick look at these on here. And here's our information if you would like to contact our education team. I'm just going to have a quick look again at our chat box. I don't think anyone's got any questions today, but thank you so much for taking part, and I'll speak to you next time. Thank you.